guys, this is an interesting angle. My room is very messy right now. I am leaving to Seattle and I'm doing a lot of different things. I'm celebrating Thanksgiving early with my family.
And I'm gonna meet up with a surprise guest. I'm so excited. We're gonna collab together. I am so excited. I have a ton of stuff going on this weekend. It's gonna be a crazy week.
And I'm gonna bring you along with me. See you in Seattle. Six miles, 10K, we did it! We did it! Yay! Wow! Time's up here! Just kidding. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? I'm in Seattle. I have a guest. Well, technically I'm a guest, but Chesney in the house! I am so shy. I don't even know why. We're together. Yeah, we're gonna collab today. We're making some videos. Stay tuned. Yes, so we're gonna brainstorm.
Yeah, we have some ideas, so we're collaborating right now. Look at us. Look at us. Look at us content creators being at work. Okay, let's see. 너무 아줌마 똑같잖아? And then 자기야!
Or maybe how about like a setting like we're sipping tea.
Oh yeah, like
and I'm like
we both say.
we're gonna record
This
with
are our props
ramen
for the video.
Yes, 육개장 is the best.
No way, really?
Well, it's called 육개장.
I had no idea. Wow, I'm such a 미쿠킹.
미쿡 사람 괜찮아요. Okay. So. Of wigs. So we have 번개머리.
I have like 집사님, which means like church elder woman. I have 번개머리 lightning hair, a little bit more edgy of an Ajumma. And then I have just a standard curly permed hair.
Yeah, they all freaking like look realistic.
I'm
Options.
thinking this one for this rich K-drama mom.
Yes. Try it on, try it on.
Okay.
Okay, content creators over here. We putting on wigs. 잘하네.
Wait, Gina, why is yours so pretty? Like, are you saying like
wigs?
Are you about to like serve lunch? Like,
Claim your lunch.
so pretty.
어머, 어머.
For that.
Oh my god, this is.
It's so realistic, right?
There's 사모님 in the house. I am shook. She just transformed from 20s to, I don't know, like 50s, mid 50s. Oh! Oh my god, I look like Korean Karen. Wow. What is happening? 진짜 I look like my mom a little bit. 저기요, 제가 야채를 샀는데요. 못 먹겠어.
아, 네, 죄송합니다, 사모님. 오늘 영업을 안 해서요.
지금 내가 여기
일하는 사람이
줄
좀
알고.
없어가지고.
진짜 매니저님 좀. 내가 여기 매니저님 잘 알아. 사장도 내가.
Gina, you should. I knew you'd be good at this. You're like, I'm not good at acting. I was like,
Only Asian families do this. Only Korean. My family literally brought food from home. We have these. My parents brought this Korean barbecue grill and pop-up grill. They went to Costco. Look at this. They didn't even unpack. Say cheese.
Do you have like Gengars on?
Gengars?
Yeah, Gengars are my favorite Pokemon.
Hey guys, I'm currently visiting my sister and I'm gonna check out her vanity and her bathroom. I wanna check out all the products. I wanna check out all the makeup and skincare products that my sister uses. So, you know, it's like, I wonder what she's using and I wanna try it out before I purchase it. You know what I'm saying? So let's go check it out. Her vanity. I don't even know how to turn this on. Wow, it is bright. We've got tweezer. Oh, a bunch of Rode lip gloss. I have never tried these. Luca, what are you doing? Mommy's in the bathroom. Why are you still awake? Luca, gonna say hello to camera? Come here. Come over here. He was trying mommy's makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah? Don't tell mommy, okay? You cannot tell mommy, can you? Can you keep a secret? Okay, don't tell mommy. Okay. Oh, this is like tinted. Ooh, I wanted to try this one. Hope she doesn't mind. This is what sisters are for. I think this is the oil blobbing thing. Alright, I mean I love this because it's free. Lubricant for, oh, this is eye drop. She has a lot of stuff here. This is mist all over. It's like a moisturizer. And then this one is drenched. Expensive Bobbi Brown foundation, Clinique foundation, Kat Von D foundation. I think I actually gave this to her. And then we've got Milani. She's using Revelation powder. Ooh, Fleur. Looks like she really likes the father figure. So as a sister, I gotta use it. Smells good. Oops. Slip tint. She has a lot of these suns. She has a lot of foundations. It's like a BB cream. Hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer from ColourPop. She has more makeup products here.
oh, this is the one you
What is it? Oh, Laura Mercier. Do you even use it?
I have.
Dude, I love this Daisy blush.
샤워 젤 이거 얼마? 30 얼마 샀거든? 이거 좋다.
I think I got you that one.
아니거든 내가 샀거든. 이거는 이모가 그때 경심.
맞아.
조심해요. 한 번 열 때마다 몇 센트가 날라가는 거.
무슨 몇 센트 몇 뿌리겠지.
오씨.
오 마이 갓.
여기는 이제 립.
Are you kidding me?
립 진짜 내가 좋아해. 요즘
Oh my god,
내가-
this is
아니,
too much.
오일.
이거 디올 립올 샀어? Oh my god. 이게
가져갈래?
수가 dude, you need to throw this one away. Oh, I love this one. 진저링인가?
아니야 진저링 이 정도 새로 샀는데 색깔이 안 예뻐.
I don't know what that is. Is that like mold? I don't think it's mold.
와,
I
여기
think it's
다
chemical
있어.
reaction.
이것도 그래. 그치 약간 dusty.
It's like I feel like yes, it's definitely like chemical reaction.
그러니까 나 I never bought the first
Oh
one.
my god, that was like a freaking
근데 내가 제일
fossil.
좋아하는 건 이거 핑크 색깔. I still use these and this one too.
Oh my god.
This is
The
by
heat-
like party makeup. Looks very.
Dude, what? It's like in a pristine condition. You should sell these.
This is like 5 years old. Who's gonna buy it?
I know you can sell it.
You gonna throw up?
Yeah.
That's why you shouldn't have ate so much. Alright. Okay, go.
Ooh, this area is what we want to see here. We got Medicube. Oh, love Ulta MD. We have Medicube Zero Pore Pad. Oh, this tone up UV cream from Japan, I believe. Oh, this collagen jelly cream, very good. From Korea. If you're a girl and have a sister, you exactly know what I mean. Hers is mine, what's mine is hers, period. Now we're gonna remove my makeup and I'm gonna try out her products. Like what's mine is yours, what's yours is mine. It includes clothes too. What else do you put? Like do you wash anything else after this?
I have cleanser.
Mm-hmm. What do you use? What's your favorite skincare?
Well, I've been breaking out, so I'm trying to use something gentle lately.
I just used this one. Anua. This one's pretty good. I actually like it. I've never used it before until this trip and I really like it. Okay, what else? Let me see the tool. You got this from Hyuna? Did you clean this though?
I mean, we're sisters. I think it'll be okay.
This one first?
You do the first one to work the surface.
This is like a scary tool. Actually, I did not shave my...
Let me see.
Dude, your breath!
안 나올 것 같아. 내가 한번 examine.
Can you, did you even wash your hands?
Yeah, I just shower. 이거 뭐야?
Ah!
눈에 뭐 있다?
What? Let me see.
Squeeze. Oh, it's coming out. Is it? But you can't do the middle. You gotta kind of like press the point.
What am I pressing?
약간 I can't. I'll be very gentle, okay? 아이씨. You're not. You're so annoying.
You literally poked the wrong area.
No, I didn't. It's right here. Now I'm trying to get.
Ow!
나온다. 보여?
Next step. Eye cream.
Eye cream.
Dude, there's nothing.
I don't.
I think you need to cut it and then...
아니야. 내가 해줄게.
Cut it and
I've been
then...
using it for like days.
Days?
Ready?
진짜 많이 나왔지. 다 써야지. Do you need more?
다시 해봐.
There's a technique. 해봐.
Oh,
Okay, that's good. I think you could use this one. Summer Friday jet lag mask.
that one's like
This one's running low too. So then
that.
you can use it. 진짜 좋아. This is very hydrating. 진짜 딱 일어나잖아. 피부가 좀 글로이.
조금 더 줘야겠다.
버려야겠다.
더 줘봐.
I got this from advent calendar last year, I think.
More? Has it been expired then?
Almost a year.
Yeah, because I've been thinking about getting this because everybody talks about this.
It's pretty nice.
I feel like it's just gonna be messy.
Why not?
What are you doing? I'm so confused.
괜찮아. 괜찮아?
어?
그치? 약간 대충 묶었는데 와이즈해. Oh, that's not bad.
Dude, it's supposed to be messy. Dude, I would not go outside with this.
Why? If you have your makeup on,
Why
it's
is
fine.
this bun like this?
It's
I feel like
messy.
it should be like the opposite way, like this way. You know?
This literally took like 3 seconds, but if you want to make it perfect, you can.
Okay, is there any other products that I should use? I've never used this one before.
Okay. 살짝 입술이 좀 검해지긴 하고. Lip mask.
Korean brand. Dude, I look crazy right now. Dude, it looks like a pumpkin face or something. 까매진 거?
Because it's brown,
I get it.
but it's pretty nice. It was like strawberry chocolate combo.
I don't know how I feel about this chocolate flavor, but it is very hydrating. Okay, that completes my skincare routine. The night skincare at my sister's using her products.